Now to the good stuff, the dessert. The genesis of this recipe is threefold. Malinda's preserved orange recipe, one of her shortbread cookie recipes, and what I think must have been her favorite herb, marjoram, because she uses it everywhere. Most people have heard of marjoram, but I don't think it's used as regularly as, say, oregano or basil. It's also mostly used in savory dishes, not sweet ones like a cookie. But you know me, I like to try things. Mix all the dough ingredients together and knead into a coherent ball. Leave it in the fridge to firm up for about 30 minutes. Roll out the dough on a cutting board. Cut into the shapes you like. I'm using a teardrop cutter. Bake these at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. Now we need to start making the frosting. Start by beating together the sugar, shortening, salt, and vanilla. It'll seem dry at first, but it'll begin to loosen up into something that looks like frosting. Add water to get it to a nice consistency. You want it so that you can spread it out on the cookie easily. To make it look nice, roll pieces of filling into a ball before gently flattening them between two cookies. And we're done. Doesn't that look delicious?
John, this cream, the orange cream, is so delicious.
Yeah, we're good.
We need a dessert beverage for these cookies, so we're having two sauternes. It's nutty like shortbread cookies and sweet like the cookies. The Chateau Bellegar Montbazillac is floral and herbaceous, which is nice with the marjoram. The Chateau Misel Sauterne tastes like stone fruit, like apricots, so it's really great with the orange cream. Sauterne is a sub-region of Bordeaux in France. To make this wine, they let the grapes get infected by a fungus that reduces the water content. That's why it's so sweet. The sugars are concentrated. But neither of these wines is syrupy. When you serve them chilled, they're just perfect.